Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Vision of the Divine Cosmic Form. Chapter 11, Shloka 45 and 46. I am delighted, having seen what was never seen before, and yet my mind is distressed with fear. Show me your previous form only, O God. Have mercy, O God of gods, O abode of the universe.
Chapter 11, Shloka 45. Adrishtapurvam hrishitosmi drishtva bhayena cha pravyatitam mano me tadeva me darshaya deva rupam prasida devesha jagannivasa.
I desire to see you as before, crowned, bearing a mace, with a discus in hand, in your former form only, having 4 arms, O thousand-armed, O universal form.
Chapter 11, Shloka 46. Kiritinam gadinam chakrahastam ichchami tvam drashtum aham tataiva tenaiva rupena chadurbhujena sahasrabhaho bhava vishwamurte.
Chapter 11, Shloka 45 and 46. Arjuna now prays to the Lord to resume his usual form and give up the terrifying aspects of the transcendental and the universal. The spiritual journey begins with the devotee falling in love with the Lord of his devotion. Thus, when he transcends from the form to the infinite, the full nature of the formless, he no doubt experiences infinite joy, but along with it, an emotion of fear rises. This fear pulls him back into body consciousness and the mental agitations back into the realm of ignorance. Arjuna too was delighted, having seen what was unseen before, and yet was distressed with fear and requests Lord to show previous form. Shloka 46. What exactly is the form in which Arjuna wanted the Lord to appear before him is described now. Arjuna wants to see Lord Krishna as before. He is afraid of the universal form into which Lord has expanded to express the oneness with the essence in the entire gross world of matter. When the Vedantic concept of truth is presented, very few can conceive the totality, and at moments, if even one has conceived it in the intellect, the heart fails to tune up its emotion to live the absolute experience for long. The mind can only enjoy the truth through its symbols, but not directly in its total grandeur. The traditional form of the Lord is in the form of Vishnu, represented as having 4 hands, each holding the conch, the club, the discus, and the lotus. For new seekers, when the intellect becomes dull due to dissipation, the aspiring heart must find some place where it can rest and revive. This glorious form of the Lord is the bed of peace and tranquility where the devotees go. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.